Okay, so the word or the strength that I chose was honesty. I have a little drawing down here. It's 7:30 on a Wednesday, and I am tired. I'm so tired, but I have to keep pushing myself and be honest and say it's Wednesday, so I'll rest up after I turn in my assignment. And right here on the right hand side at the bottom, I have my youngest purpose saying, Mom, can you play with me? And me using my Pomodoro technique, I tell him, just give me 25 minutes and I'll be right there, babe. Some other things that I definitely need to be honest about to myself is that bees are okay. Perfection is not real. So just to know that, and that's okay. Um, and up here in the top right, I have no matter how tough things get, keep pushing. And so I just want to continue to tell myself that every day, no matter how tired I am or how much I have to do, just keep on keeping on. Okay, the next slide. It says, what are three of your top character strengths and virtues to which they belong, and why did you choose these three? So I got humor, which belongs to transcendence, spirituality, which also belongs to transcendence, and love of learning, which belongs to wisdom. With the humor to start, if anyone's having a bad day, anybody, I mean, the most evil person, if they're having a bad day, if they can just get a laugh out, it changes everything. So humor is a big part of who I am. I try to bring smiles and laughs, and so yeah. And then with spirituality, I am led completely and fully by the Holy Spirit. If you aren't Christian, I suggest that you take a look into it, and I pray that you do find some peace like I have gained over the years. And it is solely because I put the Lord first. Put Him first, and everything else follows. And it's absolutely the truth. The next one I have is love of learning. And I love to learn. Here I am, 30, going back to school. So much is going on in life, but I cannot stop this desire to just be better and to know more and to be more wise. And so I love to learn. I'm going over. Okay. From the reading, what are the positive correlates for each character's trait that apply to you? So for humor, there's positive mood, capacity to manage stress, and creativity. For spirituality, there is self-regulation, positive social relationships, sense of purpose, and there's so many things under spirituality that were great. Love of learning, more adept at navigating obstacles and challenges. Absolutely. When there's something that's like tough, it's nothing is ever too tough for me. Resourcefulness, and a decreased level of stress, which is also very true. I was not surprised about the results at all. I strive to be the most kindest person I can be. I let the Spirit lead me, as I was saying. And with the Bible and the wisdom the good Lord gave me, there is little to no stress in my life. And so when I get overwhelmed, my first action is prayer. I try my hardest to stick to my word and ultimately do what my heart is set out to accomplish. And so, yeah, one of the best ways I can use my signature strengths is to actually use them. So, whenever I get in front of anybody, I try to make sure that I'm always positive, try to make people laugh, and bring joy. And also try to leave a token of wisdom because who can't use more wisdom? And describe how you might use one of your signature strengths in a new way, perhaps related to your future career. Okay, so I am going back for my bachelor's to be a fish and game warden. And so my main reason for doing it is to find and discover new species of animals and birds, and then the extinction rate amongst creatures is on a very high level right now. So to preserve what is still living and breathing and trying to survive in this world is one of my most greatest desires, and so I will do it. Um, and so, yeah, my love for learning will help showcase all my other strengths, such as creativity, curiosity, bravery, perspective, and leadership. I am so grateful for this deeper look into who I am, and I will continue to mold myself into greatness.